Alright, summer's here, although not you can tell today because the weather is shit. This is the Intraveno Slush Puppy, so this is a banging anabolic treat from Adapt. We've got pineapple flavour. My friend Mike behind the camera is addicted to this stuff. So very, very simple to make. 2 scoops Intraveno, blend with ice, NutriBullet, and it's coming up. Very, very simple. Probably not too much ice in there. One thing, make sure you've got the lid on properly because I have made this mistake before and it's not pretty. It's as simple as that. Get the lid off. Now if you want it thicker, you can see that. So you can make it thicker, more runny, just add more ice. But tastes banging. That's super good. Give it a try.